Hi friends, it's Monica. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an envelope using my envelope punch board made by We Are Memory Keepers. And this punch board allows you to make an envelope just about any size and any color paper or material that you like. And it is useful for Happy Mail or birthday cards or whatever kind of envelope you might ever need. So let's get started. Things you'll need are some double-sided tape, some scissors. Because this paper is very patterned, I have a label so we could address it. And of course, your little device thing here. Let's get started. So first thing is my card is going to be 4.5 by 6. And it says on here for 4.5 by 6 size card, you're going to need an 8.5 by 8.5 piece of paper, which is this. I already measured it and cut it. And then it says to use the score line at 3 3/4. So what you're going to do is line up this edge here at the 3 3/4 mark, which is right there. Nice and edge against edge there, nice and firm, and then you're going to give it a push to punch that hole. And then you'll flip it over and do it again at 3 1/4. Exactly right. Do it again, just like that. Super easy to use. And now we'll go to this opposite diagonal corner and do the same thing again. 3 1/4. Right there. Just like that. Now to make the scores, line it up. You could actually probably do this right when you cut it, but that's not how I do it. This device comes with like this really easy to use and storable so it doesn't get lost scoring tool. And there's a score line right here that goes all the way up, and you'll just drag your score tool along the line there to the top, and you'll do that on all edges, making sure that it's straight, and because you want your envelope, of course, to be perfect. Just like this. Very easy, okay? And then put your tool back so you can find it next time. Tuck it right in. Now we're done. Let's see. Now we're going to turn it this way, and this doubles on this side to cut the negative space, and then this one cuts the corners. So we just tuck it right in here, and this will give you a nice rounded edge there. See that, how it's nice and looks very finished once it's done. Not like a piece of scrapbook paper you turned into an envelope. Just like that, all 4 sides. Thank you very much. We'll scoot you out of the way. Now you have a scored, you have these scores, so it shows you exactly where to fold it. So you're just going to gently fold it in, and you can use a folding tool, which I prefer to use a folding tool. You don't have to, but if you have one, you might as well, just to make these creases extra tight and sharp, because it really just makes it look so much nicer. And then either one of these, it doesn't matter. You just fold it right up, just like that. And then you're going to give yourself, you're going to attach it here is where you want to do it. So I use this really strong double-sided tape, not repositional. Once it's stuck, it's stuck. Don't mess up. Just like that. Doesn't really matter. Just like that. Fold right up. And there you have it. There's your envelope in the back. And then this piece, of course, you'll insert whatever fun mail object you're going to send away for Happy Mail or birthday card or whatever. And there you go. There's your envelope. Isn't it perfect? It's perfect and beautiful. Fill it up with whatever you got. And now, since this one is patterned, this is kind of an extra step. I have just a little cardstock card that I will add right there. And
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram at handwritteneverything.